sometimes we've got this just dead earth. So we can add organic matter back to the soil, right?
Yeah, we can, and there's lots of ways we can do it to kind of rebuild it and get it back to more of a natural forest floor type state. So we can mulch at the surface. That's a great way to gradually increase organic matter. We can directly incorporate materials like composts and biochar into the soil to kind of recreate the A horizon. We can even put organic matter in liquid form and inject that into the soil to get it through all the macropores and help it to coat aggregates. So there's lots of things we can do to accelerate that process. Number one is to try to get the plants growing really well, because they're going to be depositing roots and leaf litter and all that, which will kind of get the system sustaining itself again. But sometimes we really have to help to get it to that point if it's really deprived.